folks, I have number 685 to show you. This is an alto ukulele, and it really turned out nice. It's got a beautiful western red cedar top, perfectly quarter sawn. You can see all the little rays going left and right across it, and a nice one-piece curly walnut back and sides. And it's got some of this multicolored purfling here, very old style. Looks really cool with this instrument. Adds a little pop of interest and color to it. Curly walnut for fretboard, headplate, and bridge. And the neck is this cypress I have that I think it came from an old factory or something. It's really cool. It had a little nail hole in it. It's got some cool knots and stuff. I think it's really well suited to the instrument. And then a nice walnut stripe down the middle. So the walnut on the back, it's got a few tiny bug holes in it. And I filled them with tiny little maple dowels, which looks cool. And this walnut came from my friend Ben, who's a guitar builder. These pieces were too small for guitars. He got this big old slice from a sawyer across the river. So it's a local piece of walnut. Yeah, it's good. It's a really nice instrument. I'm enjoying playing it today. Ooh, a little smudge there. I got it. So yeah, number 685. This is ready to go. Cheers.